Hi, I'm Amanda with RCS Financial Planning. Among the challenges of being a business owner is the burden of self-employment tax. Before your business profits can pass to you, they are subject to FICA tax. And because you're the owner, you are responsible for both the employer and the employee portions of this Social Security and Medicare tax bill. This self-employment tax will take at least 15% of all of your business's net income. And then you have the pleasure of paying your individual, state, and federal tax liabilities as well. There is, however, a simple strategy that allows a business owner to file their business taxes as an S-corp and minimize this dreaded self-employment tax. Today, I'll summarize the things you should consider before making this S-corp election. Making the S-corp election must be completed by March 15th of the year in which you wish to engage the strategy. There is a late election option. However, the IRS will require you provide proof of reasonable cause for having missed the original March deadline. Once you make this election, you will be allowed to split your business profits into two pieces: a FICA taxable wage that you will pay yourself, and a FICA exempt dividend distribution. The wage you elect to pay yourself and the associated payroll taxes are deductible business expense. The remaining profits of your business can then pass through and avoid the FICA tax altogether. There are, however, considerations of this S-corp election strategy. The first is that the wage you select to pay yourself must be deemed reasonable by the IRS. There's a rule of thumb that says you should allocate at least 1/3 of your business profits to wage earnings, but this is just a starting point and will be different for every owner depending on the work that you do. It is critical that you work with someone to determine the appropriate wage, because the IRS does not take kindly to business owners abusing this strategy by underpaying themselves. The second consideration is that to implement this strategy, you will need to maintain payroll. The costs of managing the payroll process, filing the S-corp election paperwork, and paying unemployment insurance all need to be weighed against the potential tax savings of the S-corp election. You might be wondering, is there a profitability level that makes the S-corp election sensible? And unfortunately, there's no easy answer here. To figure this out, we do tax planning, and we compare your existing LLC tax burden with that of an S-corp election. If you're curious about whether an S-corp election makes sense for your business, reach out to us at RCS Financial Planning. Let's see if we can save you some tax.